Hi all, in today's video I'll show you how to install Neko Jailbreak on iOS 18.2 running iPhone. Search iOS 18.2 jailbreak NekoJB.com. Neko Jailbreak tool provides you best features like Cydia, Sileo 2, Zebra and more features to customize your iDevice without the help of a PC or Mac. Let's get started. Select the following search result. To install the Neko online, tap on the button. Here, you need to install Neko using C Jailbreak Pro. Just follow the steps as I do. Once you installed the Neko Jailbreak, open the app and start the jailbreak. Soon after the jailbreak is finished, you will get a new app. It is NekoUtil. Using NekoUtil you can install package managers. Here I am going to install Sileo 2. Sileo 2 is the latest package manager introduced to the jailbreak community. Enjoy the jailbreak features with Neko Jailbreak. Please like and subscribe for more contents. Let's meet with another video. Till then, goodbye.